Hi, welcome to today's show. Today we're trying snacks from Thailand. So, our first snack up is a Tom Yum soup flavor Sudhira Thai coconut crispy roll. So, here they are. And they have just a hole in them. Nothing really filled with anything. Smells like coconut. Yep. Wow. That's decent. That's really good. Very strong coconut flavor. Um, get a little spicy taste to it. Nothing overwhelming. Uniform's Tiki biscuit sticks dipped in orange flavored flakes. Okay, comes in a little pouch here. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Yep, orange. It's actually not bad. You can taste the orange flavor, the yogurt orange flavor. And it's not overwhelming. So that's a win. Next, let's go with this here. It's called a Uniform Swizz Durain, if I'm pronouncing that right. Wafer filled with Durain flavor cream. Whoa, that's a strong smell. Kind of looks like a sugar wafer. I was gonna break a piece off it off, because it comes along. It's a long piece of wafer. So that's what it looks like. It's a weird smell. Not sure what the geranium. So it's supposed to taste like vanilla, almonds, and cream cheese, along with hints of onion, garlic, and alcohol. Uranium, near to Southeast Asia, is known as the king of fruits. Wow. It's all at once. Holy cow. Wow. I never had anything like that. Never had anything like that. This smell is weird. It's a very weird smell to it. But the taste, it doesn't taste the way it smells. It's hard to explain. But you can really pick up the onion and garlic taste of it. Mostly the garlic. Alright, our next thing. So next up is something I've been avoiding, terrifying of eating or trying because I had a very bad experience with this normal, I guess it's the normal thing people eat now these days. But a long time ago I had a very terrible experience with it. Could eat it. Just because of the thought of what it is. And so without further ado, it's a Kao Kai Noi big roll, seaweed roll, well, seaweed roll with mango sticky rice flavors. I tried seaweed a long time ago and did not like it. But I don't know. People say your taste change over time. As you grow older, your taste change. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. Actually, it smells decent. Okay. Oh, Jesus. So that's what it looks like there. It's hollow on the inside. Oh boy. Okay. We can do this. Nope. Nope. Not for me. Sorry. Alright, I tried that. No. Ugh. Okay, I did not like that. Ugh. Horrible. Horrible. I swallowed it. But, ugh. God. Alright, let's go with this stuff here. Oh. This is the Sour Punk Spaghetto gummy strings with assorted fruit flavors. Okay. Got a nice smell to it as we open it. Comes in its own nice little tray. It looks like little spaghetti or gummy. It looks like gummy worms, like really stretched out gummy worms. So this is the yellow one. I'm not sure what flavor. It must be lemon. But that's got to be the length of all of them, I guess. Kind of sour. This comes in the mixed fruit is strawberry, lemon, apple, blue raspberry flavor. I bet you a green one. Probably like a sour apple. No, I don't like the green one. What is it? Strawberry. Red. Alright. That was decent. So far, I like the lemon and the strawberry. Now, lemon and strawberry is the best. But I'll do a rating later at the end of the video. Okay. So next up we have the Tasto Devil and Empire Chili Ridge Cut Spicy Potato Chips. There's the rear of the package. How hot do you think these are going to be? I like spicy, I like hot potato chips and spicy stuff, but I'm not sure about these. They don't smell too hot or spicy, but so it kind of look like Ruffles. Wow. Yeah. You feel the heat instantly. Holy moly. That's hot. Wow. It's hot, but it's not like one of those where you have to sign a waiver before you eat them. So it's got heat behind it, yes. I am not sure what the Scoville scale is on this. But it hit the spiciness, the heat, it hits you. But after a few seconds, it starts fading away. The Uniforms Top Coat Cone. It's a wafer filled with choco custard cream. And then on the back here, I'm gonna give you a diagram of how the cone's laid out. Oh, the bottom broke. Well, so that's what it looked like. There's the bottom half of it. Use your imagination. Go on something like that, I guess. So there's the top inside portion of it. It's almost like Cocoa Puffs or the Cocoa Pebbles cereal. Now it's time to do a rating for them. Let's go from least to best. So, the least one I liked, and this is a given, is this seaweed wrap, roll, whatever you want to call it. It's my least. The next one that tasted a little bit better than that would have been these wafer filled durian cream flavor cream. I'm not too familiar with that fruit, but the smell of it kind of is off-putting. Of all the different flavors put together, or maybe the fruit, I don't know how I would just describe that. The next one would be the next one would be this spaghetto. Now I only like two flavors out there. I like the lemon and strawberry. The apple had a weird taste to it. It didn't taste like an apple of any kind I've ever had. You would think it'd be like maybe like a Granny Smith apple, or just a green apple in general, like a, I forget what they call it, but and the blue raspberry didn't really have a blue raspberry taste to it. So if I had to rank the flavors on this one, it would be lemon and then strawberry. Going, well, okay, from least favorite to most favorite, it would be strawberry and then lemon. The next one, which I like a little more, it's kind of a tie between this and the spaghetto flavor, the two flavors, but was this crispy roll, coconut crispy roll. I really enjoyed that. You got the taste of the coconut flavor right away, and then you got a little bit of the spicy, of like a spicy flavor. My next thing, and was these Devil Empire pepper chips. Been my next favorite. It had the heat behind it, and if you enjoy spicy snacks or any kind of spicy food, this would be something you would enjoy. It's a lot hot. I would say it's a lot hotter than if you were to get like, let's say like Utz Red Hot chips. If you ever had Utz Red Hot chips, this is actually spicier than they are, which is a good thing in my opinion. My next favorite would be these Tiki yogurt orange biscuit crackers or sticks. I like the orange flavor behind them. The biscuit flavor at the very bottom of it, which isn't covered with the orange cream. It tasted well. It tasted good also. And I think my favorite, probably everybody's favorite, I'm gonna be looking for these, is the Top Coup cream cone. Right here on the back it says cereal and biscuit bites. So it does have cereal. It does have some cereal. I was right. So that would be my that'd be the number one favorite there. So that concludes the Thailand food tasting. Get excited for next month. We are going to be going into foods from India. So different snacks from India. I can't wait for that one. See what we get. Hopefully nothing weird. But hey, we'll try it. Just like we did with this seaweed stuff. Don't like seaweed at all. Still don't have a taste for it. Well, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow.